What up, guys? It's your boy Kingjoffyjoe 413 back with another one.
I see you, haters.
What up, guys? It's your boy Kingjoffyjoe. You know I'm back here with another DIY for you. You know we call this DIY Wednesdays. Alright, so what am I gonna show y'all today? Something in the rear end, obviously, that's where I'm at. So I'm gonna show you the brake lights, the marker lights, side plate marker lights. So the ones they sling onto the mod plate cells, made by Trick Lights. I don't know how much they are exactly, but so I bought these on Amazon. I got these right here. These are the ones I bought. It's about a 3-inch light, so you can go on Amazon somewhere and find like a 3-inch light. I'll leave a link in the description of where I got these ones, but we got a little 3 LEDs. I'm gonna stick that right there in the side, you know what I'm saying? Why not? Why not? Let's put that on there. So this one's gonna be fast because I already got the bolts out of here. You already seen a couple videos where I took off the light, so that's already done. What you gotta do is take off the light first. You gotta take the screw out of here, pop this off. I already showed you guys that, so you already got that done. What else you gotta do is you gotta take off the light. That's gonna get you all your wires, but we're actually not gonna do all that yet. So we're gonna put that back up here. So if you know how to do that, you can start off, get it done. We're gonna go straight to the reflector. You're gonna take off these 2 screws here. We're gonna detach the reflector from the... Alright, we're gonna take the reflector off the bracket. It's 2-side tape, so you can use a pry bar or a screwdriver to try to get that off of there. You can heat it up. Maybe it'll be a little easier for you, but I just pried mine off, got it done. Alright, there's a reflector. Probably save that, make a necklace or something out of it. Nice. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to put holes in here for screws. So if you get a light, it's gonna come with some kind of, it might come with screws. I would recommend using a nut and bolt kind of thing, but if you are a screw that has, you can put a bolt on the back of it. You want to use a countersink screw so it's nice and flush. So with this light here, if you look at the back of it, we're gonna have to drill 3 holes. We're gonna have to drill 2 holes to mount the bracket, the backing plate of the light to the bracket. We're gonna have to drill 1 hole for the wires to go through. So I have some drill bits and I have a drill. And what I usually do is I take a piece of wood. I'm gonna C-clamp this to the wood, like so. I'm gonna C-clamp this to the wood here. Just gonna hold it here because I'm gonna drill holes in here and I want to be safe. So if you got a vise, even better. You know what I'm saying? You can throw it in a vise. I don't have a vise, so I use a C-clamp. I use a piece of wood. All right, guys. So after we get our C-clamp on, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our backing plate. We're gonna line it up with the bracket. So what I do is I get the top to bottom lined up first, and I move it over and try to get it centered as much as possible. So if you have a one of those things, those pin things, you take it and hit it. You might make a spot. I don't have one of those, so I'm just gonna take this small drill bit and I'm just gonna drill a little hole right there. And then I'm gonna go to the other one. I'm gonna drill another little hole. All right, so that's where I'm gonna drill holes. So I'm gonna get the right size bit that I need, which I'm not 100% sure what size that is. So we're gonna try to start a little smaller because we don't want to over drill the hole. But if you're gonna do a nut and bolt, which I recommend, it's really not a big issue. Alright, so I have a screw here. It's actually a torque fit screw. I'll use that to see if it fits in the hole that I drilled. Look at that, that's nice. It's nice when it works in the first try. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my bracket back on there. throw a screw in there. So like I told you guys on the last video, I did this like 3 months ago on the other side. So I've been riding with one side done and this side not done for a while, but I lost the screws the bracket came with. Oh shoot. I lost the screws the bracket came with. So I got these other screws. You really want to have countersunk screws so it's flush here on the top. So I don't know if I'm gonna have a problem with putting this light on here with these kind of screws. I might have to hit the hardware store up and grab some different screws. But time being, we're just gonna stick them in here now. All right, and the reason I did that now is I'm going to be putting the hole for the wires. So what I do is I take a bigger drill bit. I'm gonna take this one here. I'm probably gonna drill probably a hole here and a hole here. We got 2 wires on each side of the light, so. Alright, so if you look at my 2 holes, I still got a little piece in the middle here, still a little piece in there, but I got 2 wires. I can run 1 through each side. What I'm going to do before I put it on though, I'm going to take a file, file those down. We don't want that too sharpened to cut the wire. You know what I'm saying? If both sides get cut, you're going to arc. You don't want arcage. Alright guys, so I just finished filing this out. Used my little round file. I stuck it in there, scored it around a little bit. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna screw the bracket back onto here. The reason I unscrewed it is because I had it screwed onto the wood before. So now we want to screw this back into here without it being in the wood, right? All right, guys. So now you already heard I filed it out, put the bracket on there. Now we're gonna stick the. Should test fit, do a little test fit. Let's stick the lights, the wires right through there, right through there. Just make sure she fits on there. There we go, nice snug fit. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Woo. Looks like it was made there. Like, why they call me king? You know what I'm saying? I ain't say it, but it was said in the comments, yo. So, all right. So now we gotta wire these up. So we already know the black wire, because. Right, we already know because we already watched this because you guys watched my video. So we already know we've been back here. We put the brake flasher in here, the $5 brake flasher. If you want to check it out, we got a card right there. All right, so we know that the red wire is for the brakes. It's for the brake lights, and the black wire is ground. If you watched my video for installing the under seat brake lights, which we have a card right there for that one, you know the gray and green wire is a blinker wire. So only one left for a running light would have to be the right one. Process of elimination. So, all right, so that means we gotta go into the black wire and we gotta go into the red wire. So I have it connected into the black wire already. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unhook this. I'm gonna take this connector off. I'm gonna put this wire with this wire and add another connector in here. So I already got 2 things in here, so I'm not gonna add another jumper in here. But if you need to, because this is what you're doing. If you don't have that, what you're gonna have to do is, if you don't already have that, what you're gonna have to do is connect it. I got connectors here. Let me grab one to show you guys. If you don't have these connectors, little blue connectors, just put the wire between the metal thing, you fold it over, it's gonna pinch it on there, and that's gonna give you the access to plug something into there. So it's not super plug and play, but it's like semi plug and play. It's click plug and play, not just plug and play. So,
but the price.
Yeah. But the price difference is a lot. All right, so, but we know we gotta. I'm gonna show you how to use one of these because I don't have nothing plugged into my running lights on this side. So we're gonna use one of these on the running lights. So we're gonna go to the red wire here. Go to the red wire there. I'm just gonna put it right between the little metal thing there. I'm gonna close it up. Keep it in there. I'm gonna close it up. Grab our needle nose pliers or whatever pliers you're using. Give it a nice squeeze. Nice squeeze. There you go. Now, so I'm gonna take this black wire. So I'm gonna take this black wire off here, and we're gonna be cutting this off because I'm doing a splice into this one. So that's a splice I put in there. So now anytime I want to add anything to this area here and I want to go into the black wire, I'm just gonna have to cut this wire here, add that wire to the mess, and then plug it back into there. So we're gonna cut this wire for now. Get that out of here. I'm gonna splice her up. Twist her up like that. All right, so we're gonna move this out the way real quick so we can get the light in position. Actually, we're just gonna take the light off the way because why are we gonna leave it on there in the way? You know what I'm saying? All that extraness. Get the light out of here. I don't feel like pulling those off. I'm gonna stick this to the side. All right. We're gonna put this back right now. We're gonna put the light up there right now. Actually, we're gonna put the piece on here first. We're gonna put the piece on the red one. That's gonna be the running light. So we'll put the piece on the red one, then we'll put it in place, and then we'll put the black one and the other black wire together. So in there, I'm gonna grab the crimpers. Give her a squeeze. Give her a little tug, make sure she's on there. Oh, look at that. It wasn't on there as I like it. I want to give her another squeeze. Yeah, that's a lot better. Yeah, that's a lot better. It's a lot better. Twist this one up here. Yeah. That one's ready to go with the other wire. Stick this back in place. Get the screw started. Alright guys, so I got it in place now. So now I'm gonna wire this. Alright, I got this red wire, so that's gonna get plugged right in there. So now we're gonna take this black wire, which is coming from my brake flasher, $5. I don't know if you missed the first card, but I'll put another one. Put those together. Grab one of these jointies. Stick that in there. What did I tell you guys? Squeeze. Squeeze. And plug. Plug, and you play. Hit the gray button right there, and you play. That's what I'm talking about, guys. So you guys see me do that in probably 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying, guys? So you see what we're doing? You know what I'm saying? We're making big moves out here for a little bit of money. You know what I'm saying? It's a pandemic, yo. I'm broke. I'm saying a lot of y'all broke. You know what I'm saying? You know who ain't broke? I'm gonna shoot a shout out to my man Brandon King. You know what I'm saying? Grandpa Saggy Balls. Them two ain't broke. Shout out, they grabbed the banner. Yeah. Y'all ain't got banners yet? Y'all ain't got banners yet? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, y'all trying to support the channel? Quick banner, throw it up in your house. I'm saying support for free. I ain't actually gonna donate some money, you know what I'm saying? You write yourself a banner, throw it in your wall, and then send me a pic on in social media. I got banners everywhere. But on to the next one. We got something else coming up for you real good. You know what I'm saying? It's probably like Wednesday. Next Wednesday, after this Wednesday, next Wednesday, we're gonna have another DIY for you. All right, guys. So, like I said, DIY this Wednesday, next Wednesday, DIY. The Wednesday after that, DIY. They're gonna start calling me King DIY. Yo, no more Kingjoffyjoe. King DIY. You know what I'm saying? Do it your damn self. You know what I'm saying? Say you like, yo, how many mods would you have if you can get them for like 10% of the price? You know what I'm saying? Leave that in the comment. Let me know in the comments if you can get every mod that you got in your cart for 10% of that price. How many mods would you have on your bike right now? For me, I would say all of them. That's a simple answer. All of them. Like, yo, you got so many likes. I don't care. I got them all. So, shout out to the winner of the giveaway, the super clean giveaway. We got to give Eric Hernandez. He won that super clean giveaway. So shout out to Eric Hernandez. Next Saturday. Oh, actually, hold up. What's today? Today's Wednesday. So this Saturday coming up, the 12th. What's coming up? The hood giveaway. Ooh, winner gotta come pick it up though. Now I'm joking with you. Free shipping sent to you. Probably not be next day, but it's gonna be on the 12th. So we're gonna give the giveaway on the 12th. That Monday, it's gonna be shipped out, so it should get to you before Christmas. You know what I'm saying? I want you to post those pictures on your social media. On my social media. You know what I'm saying? Tag me. Show me. Let me see what it look like on your bike. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you like it. And should I do another giveaway? You are the deciding factor of this giveaway. If you don't like it, no more hoods. No more hoods. I got another hood sitting on the wall over there. You know what I'm saying? Waiting to be given away. You know what I'm saying? Guys, if y'all want a hood, tell me how y'all think I should wrap it. Should I do another vinyl wrap, or should I just, you know what I'm saying, solid color? Y'all want a solid black? You know what I'm saying? Y'all want a whole Kingjoffyjoe emblem on it? Y'all let me know in the comments, all right? So I'm gonna end this one on that one. I know I'm talking a lot, so let's end that one. All right, peace.